Hi, friends. This is me. I'm coming on to do a review on a soda or a pop that I bought, and I'm hoping you having a good Monday morning or good afternoon or whatever time it is in your town or city or area because everybody's different. And I'm hoping you guys are just having a good day. I'm kind of having a good day and kind of not, I guess. I don't know. It's just starting anyway. Um, I'm having an okay day. I played on my computer like I always do when I get up in the morning. And then, yeah, and then I go do whatever I do every day. And then, yeah, and some days I sit on my computer longer than I need to, but yeah, and I fell asleep at it. So that's probably one reason. And it is a little nifty in this room right now. I'm not really warm. It's kind of, well, the fan's going above in the ceiling, but the other fan I turned off. This one I have to do, you know, pull the cord. And I just don't like doing that because I don't know how to stop it sometimes. And. So I'm going to do this food review for you, or a soda pop review for you, not a food review. It's a soda pop. So review soda pop, soda or pop, and or a pop, whichever one you want to call it. And it's okay. I just won't buy it again. But if you guys like A&W, you might like this. I do like A&W. It's just this flavor is not really. I'm not sure if it's a what it really says it is, if that's the case. But it's a ice cream sundae in zero sugar is what I've got it in. Ice cream sundae, A&W. Tastes more like chocolate than ice cream. If it's supposed to taste like an ice cream more sundae and not a chocolate sundae, then I don't know. But to me, it tastes more like a chocolate sundae, not a ice cream sundae. Really like, yeah, I don't know. It's just, yeah. But I I'll drink what I've got, but this will never be bought again. They have it in regular sugar and zero sugar. Zero sugar, regular sugar. If you can't have regular, you probably find it. I found this at the Walmart, not the Walmart I always shop at, a different Walmart. And if you can find it anywhere you shop, that's your, you can pick it up then. And it's ice cream sundae soda actual flavor. I'll have to turn on my glasses 'cause I can't read with them on. Far away I could probably, but yeah. Um, it's got all sorts of. It's got 0 calories, like I said, right there. See, and it's got everything zero, except the sodium isn't zero, but everything else is on it. And one can is 0 calories, and yeah, I don't really like the cream soda or the ice cream sundae. Sorry, I love cream soda in A&W only if they'd make it in diet or zero sugar. I'll drink it. But other than that, if you don't, if you're used to me with the glasses on, I'm sorry, but when I take them off, I'm not. No one, it's crazy. And I know I'm sunburned, guys, but the 12-ounce can. I don't know if you can get these in bottles up by the register, in the cold um, fridges that they have up there. If you can get it that way, you could try it that way. But if you can't, you'll have to get it in 12-ounce cans in a 12 pack. And that's, yeah. And I didn't save the case, but it has all this looking on it. A&W ice cream sundae, and it's brownish, this type of color, I guess you'd call it. But yeah, that's what it's all about. And it's no no carbonation or no caffeine. Sorry, no caffeine. I can't read. Sorry. Yeah, either way I couldn't read. But yeah. And I have like like 6, 7 left, maybe. I'm not positive. I have a whole row in the fridge that sits in that I have on a shelf because I don't want to mix these with my Mountain Dew. Because if I do, you know what's going to happen? I'm going to put it in that thing and it's going to taste good. I did that once with a Mount. See, I have Mountain Dew, the original flavor, and they're all zero sugar, and Mountain Dew and Baja Blast flavor, and I had them on the same rack, my rack that goes around in the fridge, and I grabbed the wrong one and didn't read it. I poured it out and I seen the color and I'm like, that's the wrong one. So just be careful if you put them in a cup, like I do in my 24-ounce little cup. Yeah, you know, so with a straw and a lid and keeps it cold 24/7. Well, not 24/7, but keeps it cold. And then I put ice in it and it don't make it watered down because I drink it before it does that. Or I add another one and it doesn't taste it that way. So, okay. This you could probably do the same thing with is put a little bit of water or in a cup and put a little bit of ice with a straw. I put a straw in this and drink it. I can't drink it out of the can like like this. So I have to have it in a straw cup or in a straw in it. And then, yeah. And I recycle these cans, but, well, I don't put them in the recycling bin. I put them in my backyard on the deck where my can crushers are. One day I'll have to show you those so that you can see them and say these are this year's can crush. No, the 20, the black one was last year's. I could say that. Yeah. So I should do a video on that if the sun's not right, right, guys. I have a can crusher that I could do a video on for you guys, 2 of them. But one, the neighbor wanted because she wanted me to have a 16-ounce can crusher, not a 12-ounce can. And this is what this is, and not only the one that does the 12-ounce. None. I'm not sure if you can get a can crusher. I'll have to look up can crusher and see if you can get a 24 to 50-ounce can just to be safe. Well, a 24-ounce can at least, because that's what the last one I seen was that I've seen. So, yeah. But I'm not worried about a 24-ounce can crusher. I just do it or with my foot. So, yeah. So I'm gonna let you guys go and hope you guys, if you tried this, let me know down in the comments what you thought. Because Tammy Dunn, she didn't, she liked it, but Kevin did not. So I'm just curious on your opinion. Kelly don't like carbonation drinks or no carbs either with fizz, and she didn't like it. She thought it was more chocolate than. So I'm gonna let you guys go, and I will talk to you in the next video. I'm gonna go make one on the deck for you guys with the can crushers, okay? Bye for now. Toodaloo.